Hi students, welcome back to the geography class. Hope all of you understood the previous classes. Do you remember what we learned in the last class? Yes, very good. We learned about planetary winds. Today we are going to discuss about the continuation of the chapter In Search of the Source of Wind. Here we will discuss about periodic winds. You have learned that the planetary winds are the permanent winds blowing between the global pressure belts, right? There are also winds which repeats only during certain intervals of time. Such winds are called periodic winds. Periodic winds are of two types: seasonal periodic winds and local or diurnal periodic winds. Monsoon winds are examples for seasonal periodic winds. Let's study it in detail. The term monsoon is derived from the Arab word Mosa. It means the winds that change direction in accordance with the season. There are many factors responsible for the formation of monsoon winds. Some of them are the apparent movement of the sun, the Coriolis force, and the differences in heating. Sun's rays fall vertically to the north of the equator during certain months due to the tilt of the Earth's axis. This leads to an increase in temperature along the region through which Tropic of Cancer passes. The pressure belts also shift slightly northwards in accordance with this. The southeast trade winds also cross the equator and moves towards the north as the intertropical convergence zone moves northwards during the summer in the northern hemisphere. As the trade winds cross the equator, they get deflected and transform into southwest monsoon winds under the influence of the Coriolis effect. The low pressure formed over the land due to the intense day temperature attracts these sea winds and further contributes to the formation of southwest monsoon winds. As a result of the formation of high pressure zones over the Asian landmasses during winter and low pressure zones over the Indian Ocean, the northeast trade winds get strengthened. These are the northeast monsoon winds. Now, haven't you understood monsoon? Let's learn about diurnal or local periodic winds. Land breeze and sea breeze are examples for diurnal periodic winds. You have already learned that the atmospheric pressure is different during day and night at the same place. Similarly, the reaction of land and sea to sun's heat is not uniform. The land heats up and cools down quickly, whereas the sea gets heated up slowly and can retain the heat for a longer period of time. During daytime, the land gets heated up quickly. As a result, the air in contact with the land also gets heated. This leads to the formation of low pressure over the land, which causes comparatively cooler air to blow from the sea. This is known as sea breeze. As the land cools faster than the sea during the night, it would be high pressure over the land and low pressure over the sea. This results in the movement of air from the land to sea. This is land breeze. Next examples for local periodic winds are valley breeze and mountain breeze. Let's learn about it. These are winds experienced in mountainous regions that are well above the sea level. During the daytime, the air in the valley gets heated up more than the air on the mountain tops. As a result, the wind blows upslopes from the valley. This is known as valley breeze. But during night, The air in the mountainous regions cool due to the intense cold condition in that region. As cool air is denser, it blows towards the valley. This is known as mountain breeze. Let's conclude today's topic. What are things we learned today? Yes, today we learned about periodic winds. We understood that periodic winds are of two types: seasonal periodic winds and local or diurnal periodic winds. Monsoon winds are the examples for seasonal periodic winds, along with land breeze and sea breeze. Valley breeze and mountain breeze are examples for diurnal periodic winds. Hope all of you understood these topics. We will meet in the next class with the continuation of this chapter. If you have any doubt regarding today's session, please inform me through class WhatsApp group. Thank you.